Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to analyze and redesign a very rare and a special car. It's a Gordon Murray's T.33. So let's start. Couple of data points. The car will hit the road in 2024. It will be a mid-engine sports car with an 4-liter V12 engine which has an output of 607 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. Its weight is stated at 1090 kg, so power-to-weight ratio of 556 horsepower per ton will put this car in the same category with cars like Saleen S7 and McLaren F1. Later on there will be 3 versions of this car in total. The regular one, which we see right now, an open-topped edition like a Targa, and more extreme one. It will be lighter, have better performance and adjusted for the track. For the next generation of cars, owner of the company, Gordon Murray, mentions the hybridization of future products. So probably this type of sports cars is one of the last new modern developed V12 engine vehicles before we will embrace the full electrification of the car industry. In terms of design and overall proportions of the T33, they are beautiful, well resolved and very traditional. The cabin sits proportionally well planted between the two haunches and through its mid-engine layout results in cab-forward design. Accordingly to that, we see a shorter rear and a long front overhang. Shape and position of the haunches is perfectly integrated into the body side. The rear haunch is visually bigger and more powerful than the front one, which gives the car a more powerful expression. Graphically, the car is divided into 3 main parts. First, the beautiful sculptured silver body. Second, black cabin with a silver panel which visually supports and emphasizes the air intake on top of the roof, and the third part is the lower black area, which includes the rear bumper and the side skirt. The design theme of the T33 is very elegant with smooth body side and sophisticated graphical cutouts. Proportionally, the car reminds me of the well-known Ferrari Dino and the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. Very iconic and beautiful cars, and that brings me to my next point. In my personal view, the car looks too retro and almost too reserved. I understand that this is a very British and elegant design and need to express an understatement rather than be expressive with too many intakes. However, I wish the car could show more visual hints to its amazing performance and racing capabilities. Rather than changing everything on that car, I wanted only improve and adjust this design. My main goal was to emphasize its potential of the actual sports car level where the T33 is positioned. In my further steps, I extended the front glass and increased the size of the lower side skirt. To support graphical and proportional change, I extended the front overhang to give the car more lower and wider look. Additionally, on the front, around the light, I implemented one horizontal and one vertical line, which visually breaks up the big surface area on the front bumper. On the front lights I slightly changed the outside shape to match the new lower and wider intake graphic. New feature line that starts from the hood and goes through the body side of the car is visually breaking up the big volume on the side and strengthen the overall stance of the car. Finally, I changed the silver clamp graphic on the cabin to more sportier side fin. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the original T33 and the redesign of it. Big thank you for watching and see you in the next video.